This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting straight into settings. Open Wi-Fi and location panels because scanning features live there. Turn off Wi-Fi scanning and passive scanning toggles, then revoke background location for apps that request network scans. Make sure you have admin access or your PIN ready, since some changes require it. Once done, reboot the device so the scanner service drops any cached sessions, and check that airplane mode is not masking actual scan state as you continue to the deeper steps. Now you audit apps and system services that can trigger Wi-Fi scans, check permissions for access find location and access Wi-Fi state because those enable scanning. Disable or uninstall any app that repeatedly starts scans. If removal isn't possible, force stop it and disable auto start. Use a permission manager or local firewall to block background network access for suspect apps, which prevents them from initiating scans. Once these blocks are in place, monitor for scan notifications and proceed to finalize system-level controls. Finish by enforcing OS-level scan blocking where available, or use enterprise MDM settings for consistent policy across devices. This prevents apps from re-enabling scanning. Test with a Wi-Fi Analyzer app to confirm there are no active probe requests. Make sure to reboot and retest, because settings sometimes need a restart to take effect. If scans persist, boot into safe mode to isolate third-party causes, review system logs for service restarts, and only consider factory reset as a final troubleshooting step. Back up your data first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.